Hello, my name is Tina. Recently, I practiced writing with my left hand for 14 days. To compare neatness and amount of time it takes to write, I wrote the same phrase. A beautiful friendship quote by Goethe. The things our friends do with us and for us form a portion of our lives. They strengthen our personality. Day 1, as expected, I had minimal control over my pen, yet I tried my best to have a neat handwriting. Although I had poor penmanship and my handwriting looked like a chicken stepped in ink, I think it wasn't too bad. Total time taken, 2.2 minutes. Day 2, my handwriting wasn't too spidery. There were in fact huge improvements in my handwriting. Total time taken, 2.6 minutes. Day 3, the first 2 lines are pretty good. Total time taken, 3 minutes. Comparing day 4 to day 3, my handwriting is way neater and words were written neatly on the line. Day 1 to day 6, my average time to write the quote is about 3 minutes. Day 7, I don't think my handwriting improved drastically. However, the amount of time it takes to write the quote is now at 2.5 minutes. Total time has now reduced by 0.5 minutes. By day 11, I had more control over my pen. My handwriting is nice and orderly. Total time taken is roughly the same at 2.6 minutes. Day 14. Here's a comparison of my handwriting. On the left-hand side is my left-handed handwriting. Total time taken 2.1 minutes. On the right-hand side is my right-handed handwriting. This is my normal handwriting. It took me half the time to write the quote. Total time taken, 1 minute. In conclusion, after practicing writing with my left hand for 14 days, my handwriting improved from day 1 to day 6 and then stayed almost the same. By day 7, my timing reduced by 0.5 minutes. By day 14, the timing reduced further by about 0.5 minutes. On average, from day 1 to day 14, the time decreased from about 3 to 2 minutes. If you found value in this video, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy DIYs. Be sure to watch my other quick and easy DIYs. You will be glad that you did.